Number 7 burn calories đốt calorie Number 8 move continuously ធ្វើចលនាជាបន្តបន្ទាប់ Number 9 have conversations about sport conversation about sports សន្ទនាអំពីកីឡា What sport do you like What sport do you like តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តកីឡាអ្វី I like playing badminton I like playing badminton ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តលេងកីឡាវាយសី Is it easy to play that sport Is it easy to play that sport តើវាងាយស្រួលក្នុងការលេងកីឡាហ្នឹងទេ Yes it's pretty easy to play Yes it's pretty easy to play បាទវាងាយស្រួលលេងណាស់ Is that sport popular in your country Is that sport popular in your country តើកីឡានោះពេញនិយមក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នកទេ Yes it is Yes it is បាទពេញនិយមតើ How long have you been practicing that sport How long have you been practicing that sport តើអ្នកបានហាត់កីឡានោះយូរប៉ុណ្ណាហើយ I have been practicing it for 5 years I have been practicing it for 5 years ខ្ញុំបានអនុវត្តវាអស់រយៈពេល5ឆ្នាំ Who do you play sports with Who do you play sports with តើអ្នកលេងកីឡាជាមួយអ្នកណា I play badminton with my friends sometimes with my brother I play badminton with my friends sometimes with my brother ខ្ញុំលេងកីឡាវាយសីជាមួយមិត្តភ័ក្តិរបស់ខ្ញុំជួនកាលជាមួយបងប្រុសខ្ញុំ How often do you play that sport How often do you play that sport តើអ្នកលេងកីឡានោះញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា I play badminton every weekend I play badminton every weekend ខ្ញុំលេងកីឡាវាយសីរៀងរាល់ចុងសប្តាហ៍ What benefits can you get from that sport What benefit can you get from that sport តើអ្នកអាចទទួលបានអត្ថប្រយោជន៍អ្វីខ្លះពីកីឡានោះ It helps strengthen my muscles because while playing I have to move continuously It is good to burn calories as well It helps strengthen my muscles because while playing I have to move continuously It is good to burn calories as well វាជួយពង្រឹងសាច់ដុំរបស់ខ្ញុំព្រោះពេលលេងខ្ញុំត្រូវធ្វើចលនាជាបន្តបន្ទាប់វាជាការល្អក្នុងការដុតកាឡូរីផងដែរ Do you like watching football online or offline Do you like watching football online or offline តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តមើលបាល់ទាត់ទេលើបណ្ដាញឬក្រៅបណ្ដាញ Yes I do I prefer watching football offline and online Going to the stadium shouting and cheering are good to release stress Yes I do I prefer watching football offline and online. Going to the stadium, shouting and cheering are good to release stress. បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមើលបាល់ទាត់ក្រៅបណ្ដាញនិងលើបណ្ដាញការទៅកីឡដ្ឋានការស្រែកហ៊ោនិងអបអរជាការល្អដើម្បីបន្ធូរភាពតានតឹង What is your favorite football team? What is your favorite football team? តើក្រុមបាល់ទាត់មួយណាដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តជាងគេ I like the Manchester United Football Club, also known as the Red Devils. I like the Manchester United Football Club, also known as the Red Devils. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តក្លឹបបាល់ទាត់ Manchester United ដែលត្រូវបានគេស្គាល់ថាជាបិសាចក្រហម Why is sport important? Why is sport important? ហេតុអ្វីកីឡាសំខាន់ Sports are sources of recreation. People can learn how to encourage team spirit when they play sports too. Sports are sources of recreation. People can learn how to encourage team spirit when they play sports too. កីឡាគឺជាប្រភពនៃការកម្សាន្តមនុស្សក៏អាចរៀនពីរបៀបលើកទឹកចិត្តក្រុមនៅពេលពួកគេលេងកីឡាផងដែរ Vocabulary phrases Number 1 Badminton កីឡាវាយសី Number 2 Easy to play ងាយស្រួលលេង Number 3 Pretty easy to play ងាយស្រួលលេងណាស់ Number 4 Play sports លេងកីឡា Number 5 Every weekend រៀងរាល់ចុងសប្តាហ៍ Number 6 Benefits អត្ថប្រយោជន៍ Number 7 Burn calories ដុតកាឡូរី Number 8 Move continuously ធ្វើចលនាជាបន្តបន្ទាប់ Number 9 Help strengthen my muscles ជួយពង្រឹងសាច់ដុំរបស់ខ្ញុំ Thank you